Hello YouTubers, today I am unboxing the Breville Barista Pro. I finally got it after waiting for about a week. My order was supposed to be delivered by UPS, and what happened was it was delayed because a trailer had an issue. So it was delayed by 2 days for delivery, and I just got it yesterday. This morning I'm going to take the time to unbox it and then show you what the contents look like. I did get a ding in this upper right-hand corner, scratches on the packaging, but I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to start this process so that you can see what's inside. I want to say that really became interested in this product when I was looking at a YouTube show by Trent and Allie, and they are van lifers, or should I say they were van lifers prior to the pandemic, and I wanted a similar machine, but I had no idea what brand they had purchased. So I kept looking and I ran across this one, which I discovered was very much like theirs, except for I've chosen a different color. So we unboxed it. And turn it this way so that you can see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so that's how it's coming packaged. I'm going to turn it upside down and lift this up. It's very well fit, very snug around it. And so let's see, when I unpackage the contents, I can see that this corner down here is scrunched, and I can see that this is bent a little bit towards the top, and I see another ding going around here for the item. So I hope it's packaged well on the inside. But on the front of the box, it looks just like this. Has these different drinks that this machine is supposed to be able to make. And when we look here, this is the front of the box, and this shows that it's the Barista Pro. So in my kitchen, my color scheme is primarily a combination of black and a little bit of silver or gray, especially in the tile backsplash. And I find that I really like the sturdiness of the stainless steel, and I wanted more of that look as opposed to more of the black in my kitchen, which is really preferred by me. However, this is the type of product that I want to see. So again, it shows you it's the Barista Pro. When we twirl it around or move it around, we can see that this particular item has an auto grind and dose. It also has a thermojet heating system that makes those hot liquids ready and available in 3 seconds. So that was something that was exciting for me. I didn't want the brand that was a step down from this product because I really wanted that 3-second heat up. In addition to that, I also noticed that it had the low pressure pre-infusion and a 9-bar extraction. And then the last part of it, it has the microfoam texturizing. So I don't know what that's going to be like, but I'm excited. In addition to that, I can see that this particular machine does have the intuitive LCD interface on it. We do have the stainless steel conical burr grinder, so that's a part of this. It does have the auto grind and dose for the espresso. And we also have the thermojet heating system that heats up in 3 seconds that we talked about. And when you look at some of the other contents, the dose is 19 to 22 grams. This is able to provide a double shot of coffee. In addition to that, the temperature is what they describe as precise PID temperature control. And also the pressure is low pressure, pre-infusion, and 9-bar extraction. And then when you get down towards the bottom, it talks about the steam, which the steam is very powerful to make silky microfoam texture. This does have a 2-year limited product warranty available for it. And then it shows some of the contents, the accessories that are supposed to be included with the packaging. And some of those, let's see if I can get this a little bit closer so I can see this. Those include a single and dual wall. It has a 1 cup and a 2 cup. It also has a filter basket, a razor precision dose trimming. It has a dose trimming tool and a stainless steel milk jug and cleansing kit and a water filter. So let's see what it has on the inside. So I'm going to pull this open. Let's see what we get here. Okay. Again, it has these beautiful pictures that talk about mastering, points out to master every moment, which can be very much something I want to look forward to, especially with the pandemic. So that's there. And when we start unboxing it, we can see that there's a customer support number. It has a number for you to be able to dial for Breville support. And please don't return the product to the store, it says. Which I wouldn't anyway, because honestly, I didn't buy it from the store. In this case, it does have a product manual and a quick start guide. And these are some of the accessories. And this looks like one of the filters. So I'll find out in a little bit what that is. And here, this is labeled as the razor, the cleaning kit. And that must be the trimming tool. So just seeing what that looks like. Here's another one of the accessories. This is pretty heavy, very sturdy feeling. And it also has the 54 millimeter filter basket. And so let's see what I want to do with this. I think I want to turn it up to keep from having an issue, just to get those few pieces out. So we have that. I've already shown this. And then the razor. We'll look at the contents of this in just a second. Just want to make sure I get everything. Okay, so at this point, I'm back to the styrofoam again. And what I'm going to do is just turn this upside down. And I'm going to slide it out like so. Okay. I don't know if I have this. Okay, so I have it upside down, so I'm going to turn this together. It's kind of taped in there. And so even though it has that brushed stainless steel look, it doesn't look the way I expected. I thought it would be, according to the picture, stainless steel all the way around. I still find it to be a nice product. In this case, I would have wanted it to look like the image, and if this is what it looks like, then I would have wanted it to also be more black. Okay. So this is the container for the beans, the whole beans, and that's what it looks like. And I know that's going to go up here at the top, but I'm just going to lay that in for right now. When we look at the bottom, what I see here is a tray. Again, it feels quite sturdy. It's nice and polished. Okay, so that's going to snap on like so. I'm going to turn this around so that you can get a view of that. This is what it looks like. Around again. Let's see. It moves out to the side so that you can do what's necessary. It's flexible. Filter baskets. So with this, let's see. Okay, so here it's labeled as dual wall, part of what I just showed you. Okay, with it, it comes packaged like that, just to give you an idea of what's present. Okay. Okay, so little tablets, gives you 2 tablets. In addition to that, you have these items, a cleaning brush, and this one. So that's your cleaning kit. So when we look at the razor, this is the razor, and this is what it looks like. It's a precision tool. Milk jug. So let's see. When we unbox that, it is made of the heavy stainless steel, has a minimum line. You see, has the minimum line and a maximum line, and hopefully you can see that. I look forward to making more videos about how this machine works. Thanks for watching.